Audible, how to cancel membership. To cancel your Audible membership, simply go to your Play Store. Okay, open up your Play Store and then go to your profile on your top right, click on your profile, and then here you will see payments and subscription. Click on it and then select subscriptions. Click on subscriptions. Once you click on subscriptions, now from your subscription list, select Audible. So click on Audible, select it, and then that will get you to this manage subscription page here. So here simply click on cancel subscription. You'll see a cancel option. Simply click on it and then that will cancel your membership, and that's how you cancel your Audible membership. Similarly, you can also cancel it on the web if you go to Audible website and log into your account. So, and when you get to your account details, you will see membership details under account details. From there you can cancel the membership through the cancel membership link there. You can also try that on the web. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.